Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default app that opens PDF files on your Mac. Let's get started. First, find any PDF file on your Mac. You can use Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus space, then typing the name of a PDF file, or just search for .pdf. Once you find a PDF, right-click on it, or Control plus click if you're using a trackpad. From the context menu that appears, click on Get Info. This will open a new window showing details about the file. In the Get Info window, look for the section labeled Open With, click the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of apps installed on your Mac that can open PDF files, like Preview, Adobe Acrobat Reader, or any other PDF viewer you've installed. Select the app you want to use as the new default. After selecting your preferred app, click the Change All button right below the drop-down. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to change all PDF files to open with this app. Click Continue, and that's it. Now every PDF on your Mac will open with the app you chose. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat the same steps. Found this helpful? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.